First, you look at these channels. How can someone get so many views and subscribers with so few videos? There are so many channels that got monetized with just one video. So let's find out the secret behind this. Before that, let me tell you that I'm currently running two channels. One has 25,000 subscribers and the other has more than 50,000 subscribers. I think that's enough about me. Now the question is only one. How do people make their videos go viral so quickly? The answer is these two magical topics. Now understand this. For both audience and creators, YouTube, werkt so, algorithm with audience. Let's understand this properly. The algorithm collects data from two places. First, viewers, and second, creators who make the videos. Now see, a creator tells the algorithm all these things. What language the video is in, which country it's from, what the IP address is, what the category is, whether the video is for kids or adults, what the title is, what is written in the description, and much more. Now let's talk about viewers. You can't know whether your video is good or not. Actually, you can know, but how? Let's find out. The algorithm doesn't look at your video. It looks at the data. YouTube changes more often than the weather, but CTR and AR never change. First, understand what CTR and AR are. CTR means click-through rate. CTR tells how many people clicked the video after it was shown to them. For example, suppose YouTube showed your video to 100 people and 10 people clicked and watched it. Then your CTR is 10%. Now suppose YouTube showed your video to 1,000 people and 45 people clicked and watched it. From these 1,000 people, you got a CTR of 4.5%. Now add them. Total impressions, 100, plus SD, 1,000, she's 1,100, total views, 10, plus 45, so we had 55. Now the simple formula to calculate CTR is views, impressions, x 100, that is 55, 1100, x 100, measuring 5. So the CTR of your video is 5. Now suppose someone has a video with 20% CTR. Obviously YouTube will recommend the video with higher CTR because more people are clicking and watching it. And that's why you should bring high CTR on your video so that it goes viral. If I tell you from my personal experience, if your video CTR is above 7%, then it gets really good views. And I'm not saying this randomly. Here, look, this is my most viral video and its CTR is 7%. Simple thing, make your thumbnail as attractive as you can because the higher the CTR, the higher the chances of the video going viral. Now the second factor is AR, audience retention. Suppose your video duration is 7 minutes. Out of 10 people, 3 watch 5 minutes, and the remaining 7 people watch 2 minutes and skip. So duration is total audience X, duration jarder 10, X 7, jarder 70 minutes. But how long did people actually watch? 3 people watched 5 minutes, 3 X 5, 15 minutes. 7 people watched 2 minutes, 7 X 2, 14 minutes. Total watch time, 15 plus 14, 29 minutes. Now to calculate total audience retention, minutes, duration, X 100, that is 29, 70, 100. Rugger 41.4. So your video's audience retention is 41.4%. And the same thing here. The higher the audience retention, the higher the views. If your video is around 6 minutes long, try to keep audience retention above 40%. And if your video is 15-20 minutes long, then even 30% retention can bring a lot of views. If you've watched the video till here, you now understand that CTR and AR are extremely important to get views. But just CTR and AR are not enough. These things are important. But something even more important is video idea, meaning what topic have you chosen for your next video? If your video idea is boring, then no matter how good your video is, no matter how amazing your editing is, no matter how great the voiceover is, still it won't get views. On the other hand, sometimes people upload videos with bad editing, bad voice, no proper SEO, but they still get millions of views. Do you know why? Because their video idea is outstanding. But the problem is, finding a viral video idea is not easy. If you want a video on how to find viral video ideas, then comment and tell me. The next video will be on that topic. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.